Hi, I'm Megan Brunner with PC Miracles, and this is tip 9 of 12 in the 12 tips to shopping online safely during the holidays. Tip 9, don't trust every email that you get. Phishing emails are commonly used to try and trick shoppers into visiting malicious websites where they may be tricked into sharing personal information, credit card information, and or downloading malicious software that installs malware on their device. If you receive a suspicious email from an address you've never heard of, including ones that are misspelled, that has a link to an unknown website, has attachments, or is requesting personal information, do not open it or follow through on the request. You can hover over the sender's name or the web link to see the actual email address or website address. When you open an attachment or click a link, you could be installing malware on your device. Phishing emails are a popular way that criminals try to steal your information and infect your devices. As in our previous tip, if the deal is too good to be true, just delete the email. From all of us at PC Miracles, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.